दिल्ली के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब में रविवार को शिकागो ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी का चौथा दीक्षांत समारोह संपन्न हुआ। इस दीक्षांत समारोह में कई हस्तियों को सम्मानित किया गया। समारोह में उन महिलाओं को भी सम्मानित किया गया जो कि अपने अपने तरीके से समाज में कार्यरत होकर कार्य कर रहे हैं। महिलाओं की समाज में अच्छी भागीदारी और उपलब्धियां रही। समारोह में कई हस्तियों को लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड से भी सम्मानित किया गया। बताया जाता है कि 2 कैटेगरी में अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया, एक एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड से और दूसरा लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया। बताया जाता है कि कुल करीब 50 एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड से सम्मानित किए गए और करीब 8 लाइफ टाइम अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया। एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड उन लोगों को दिए गए जिन लोगों ने समाज में अच्छा कार्य किए हैं, विशेषकर महिलाओं को एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया। समाज में ऐसे लोगों ने एक बेंचमार्क स्थापित किया। कुछ लोगों ने संरक्षक के तौर को लेकर उनके योगदान को लेकर सराहना करते हुए अवार्ड दिया गया। इसके साथ ही लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड ऐसे लोगों को दिया गया जिनका समाज में अच्छा योगदान रहा है और एक अलग से जांच मार्ग स्थापित करते हुए महिलाओं को सम्मानित किया गया। आइए देखते हैं टोटल खबरें के वरिष्ठ संवाददाता राजेश खन्ना की इस विशेष रिपोर्ट में। शिकागो ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी के उपकुलपति आर.के. गुप्ता ने मीडिया से बात करते हुए कहा कि इस अवार्ड देने की क्या प्रक्रिया है और कुल कितने लोगों को अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया। देखिए हमारे संवाददाता की यह विशेष रिपोर्ट में।
सर, आपका नाम और सबसे पहले और आपका अवार्ड के बारे में और कितने लोगों को डॉक्टर का अवार्ड दिया, कितने लाइफ टाइम अचीव, कितने महिलाओं को दिया। ठीक है। I'm Dr. R.K. Gupta, the Vice Chancellor of Chicago University International. Today, the fourth convocation took place on the 2nd of November at the Constitution Club of India, where we have given to about 50 odd candidates the Honoris Causa doctorate certificate, and about 10 odd we have given lifetime achievement, and about 30 odd women entrepreneurship award certificates. These awards have been given to people who have achieved and status in their family, in their society. It could be a scientist, it could be a chartered accountant, it could be anybody, wherein they have been given for their contribution to the society, right from the honoris causa to the lifetime and to the women entrepreneurship. This time we have introduced women entrepreneurship because we have been getting a lot of inquiries that you are not encouraging in women entrepreneurship. So we started this time and we have awarded to 30 odd ladies the entrepreneurship along with WSCC, the World Sikh Chamber of Commerce, where Parmeet Singh ji has been the founder president who has supported us very strongly in this. My inspiration for the entire thing has been Bhavla Gupta, who is the pillar post for the entire event. My entire team of Chicago Open University in the office have been a great inspiration who has really done this show very well. I thank everybody who has attended this program today, and I really look forward to seeing everybody again in the next convocation, which will be taking place in January or February 2026. As such, thank you so much.
What would you give a message to awardees today?
The awardees' message would be that the award which have been given to them is for their achievement. So sorry. So they should continue their good work which they have been giving to the society so far. They should give from this doctorate now to more people so that the award which has been given as a doctorate should reach to far reaching people so that more and more people will be encouraged to get this award certificate.
Good evening. It's wonderful to be here. We had a wonderful convocation ceremony of Chicago Open University. This is the fourth convocation we had where awardees are from honoris causa field, lifetime achievement field, and excellence field. So lifetime was 7 marvelous persons from different fields who did too much contribution, who did tremendous contribution for the society. And then we had around 49 honoris causa. They also contributed, they set standards, they set up new benchmarks, and they mentored, they trained people, they were all awarded. Then we had Excellence Award, are the women categories from 8 different fields. And these women are marvelous. They are entrepreneurs, they are thought leaders, they are they are into different activities like hospitality, social service. They are social entrepreneurs, and they all got awarded. We had chief guest, very important chief guest who came and blessed this occasions. We had about 30 odd guests of honor from different fields. They came and they inspired the entire convocation of awardees and the people in the function with their thought process and with their blessings, with their words of wisdom. So it was wonderful. And the honoris causa, they have written articles which is published in the book, which is the name Excellence Award. So all their articles in their field are published. And this is immense work. And some of the work is so good. They have written with all their, what you call, case studies. So it is like a research by itself. It's huge. It's amazing. And it's very lot of information which has come through. Rest, yes, we had this excellent book launch, which was which was co-authored by over 31 co-authors who have provided their articles. And overall, it was excellent. I'm so excited by the end of the day, and we look forward to many of these. Now, these honoris causa they fill the gap between the industry and the academic. And the recognition sustains their motivation, and the recognition and the motivation together, it creates a ripple effect. So we wish them all the success, and they are our true ambassadors. Chicago Open University also has 18 Department of Professional Studies, and these professional studies ranges from cybersecurity, hospitality management, entrepreneurship, and we look forward to many of the courses. There is a special course which is for life skill, which is like a professional skill, which is mandatory for. We are trying to make it mandatory for all the college students while they do their mainstream study. They also study this, and that will make them efficient in inner engineering, which is communication, belief system. It will make them good in digital media. They will have hands-on experience and knowledge and in cybersecurity, and also drone. Because drone is such a thing. In the next 2 years, we will all have drones in the house the same way we have our bikes and cars. So it was amazing overall, and thank you so much for everyone to be here.
आज हम यहाँ पे शिकागो ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी के जो कॉन्वोकेशन सेरेमनी में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब में सारे इकट्ठे हुए हैं, 60 प्लस जो जिन्होंने को डॉक्टरेट की डिग्री से प्रदान की गई है, जो कि देश विदेश से लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं, 25 प्लस वुमेन एक्सीलेंस के अवार्ड दिए गए हैं। आज एक इतना भव्य दृश्य देखने को मिला है यहाँ पे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब में कि लोग जिन्होंने अपनी अपनी फील्ड में, सोशल वर्क में, एकेडेमिया में, आईटी में, टेक्नोलॉजी में कोई काम किया, उनको यहाँ पे आज सम्मान दिया गया। और इस तरह से सम्मान होते रहने चाहिए। मैं फिर से शलाघा करदा शिकागो ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी। I appreciate Chicago Open University for giving opportunity to people who excel in their fields and facilitate them with honorary causa doctorate. And I congratulate the women empowerment and the 25 plus women who have been selected for Women Achievers Award. So it is a beautiful atmosphere and बहुत अच्छा एक कार्यक्रम हो रहा है। भावना गुप्ता जी, RK गुप्ता जी और यहाँ पे सबने मिलके, राम रतन ग्रुप जी ने इसको स्पॉन्सर किया। वर्ल्ड सिख चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स, जिसकी चेयरमैन की सेवा मैं संभाल रहा हूँ, मेरी टीम के साथ में मिलके हमने ये अवार्ड अभी संपन्न किया है। और इस तरह से अवार्ड रेगुलर हम लोग हर क्वार्टर में करेंगे ताकि जो भी कोई अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं उनको आगे लेके आया जाए। और पूरे ही गणमान्य व्यक्ति यहाँ पे चीफ गेस्ट बन के आए थे। लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड भी दिए गए, 8 लोगों को लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड दिए गए जिन्होंने अपने अपने क्षेत्र में बड़ा बढ़िया काम किया। सो फिर से बधाई देता हूँ जिनको ये डॉक्टरेट की डिग्री मिली। वुमेन अचीवर्स को बधाई देता हूँ जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा काम किया ताकि उनको अवार्ड मिले। तो साथ में शिकागो ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी और उनकी इंडिया की रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को बधाई देता हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
आपका नाम सर बता दीजिए।
परमीत सिंह चड्डा, वर्ल्ड सिख चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स ग्लोबल चेयरमैन।
Hi, I'm Jasleen Soni, and I'm truly honored to receive this award today. Thank you so much for recognizing my work. It really inspires me, and I wish I can do more. I have a community of 1 million plus followers on Instagram with the name of Jazz Soni, and I really wish that I can motivate more females to come out and do their best of the work they can. and I inspire them more. Thank you so much for having me today.
Unique privilege and an honor to sit here today in the Constitution Club of India, where the Constitution was drafted for this Republic. Talking of the Republic, I am Brigadier Kirpal Singh Gill, retired. I spent 28 years in the uniform, serving the country along the line of control, along the line of action control. I have been awarded 2 gallantry awards, 2 bravery awards by the President of India, all for the service towards the country. My life, my profession, and my family have always encouraged me and supported me in this venture. I am thankful to God, to Vaheguru, for providing me this opportunity, as also to Chicago International Open University, who have endeavored to recognize value contribution in our contribution towards the society.
You can light up the world only when you put your own soul on fire. Warm greetings. This is Nileshwari Basad, Director, Worldwide Institute of Grooming and Pageants, WIGP. Our expertise is about training programs which are largely two-pronged. One is for national international beauty queens, and on the other hand, we train Padma Shri awardees, Asian African ambassadors, corporate CEOs, medical fraternity, and this entire training is about holistic generic personality grooming. That is, you being able to strike a synergy through your microcosm, that is your inner world, and through microcosm, macrocosm, which is your outer world. And what gets synergized through your microcosm, macrocosm is an image. So we train you how to mastermind a winning image. So my profound, hearty thanksgivings to Chicago Open University, USA, for bestowing me with this global recognition of a doctorate in my expertise, that is beauty, wellness, and pageantry. This doctorate is not just an honor, it's the testimony of the power to recognize your willingness to reinvent yourself. So, no matter where you are in life, take the initiative, restructure, redesign, refurbish, represent a new you, a better you, the best version of yourself. Thank you so much. I'm Dr. Raj Lakshmi Bibari. This program is very enlightening and very nicely done by the Chicago University. And I am impressed by the type of facilities they are giving to the Indians to be able to participate in the global education. And this is something which is very, very significant, which Mr. Gupta and his wife have done. And I really enjoyed the functions because it was conducted in a very, very disciplined and very beautiful manner, with enlightening the students and all of us in the audience with spiritualism, for which India is now moving forward to become the Vishwa Guru. And if I'd love to tell you something about my film, because my film is about the first transfer of power that took place in 19 August 1942, a hidden bit of history that will be revealed soon to the world. And the most important part of it is why Britain transferred the power. The reason why they transferred the power was because there was a gentleman called Mr. Jagdishwar Nigam, who was an ICS officer of 1923 batch. And he decided that if I don't transfer the power, world peace will not be coming forth in the world. His theory was we are living on planet Earth, and living on planet Earth, it's the world leaders who have to get together to bring their minds, maybe like Vishwa Guru is saying that for India, what is it? What is the meaning that we have to bring in the peace, love, and harmony? So when Mr. Nigam
Birpur Bajwa belongs to the Kashmir Valley, very beautiful valley from Baramulla, and belongs to Fort Long area. And I did my LLB and LLM from there only, Kashmir University. So presently I am practicing as an advocate in the Supreme Court and High Court and registered arbitration also. But really today it's great pleasure for me for getting all this award, and I did my doctorate successfully. Thank you very much. God bless all of you.
So आज मैं आई थी इस event पे and I was really very overjoyed to get this women's award. And I feel so grateful that Bhavna ma'am called me and this event was organized by Chicago University. And I'm so thankful to them and I hope they keep on conducting these kinds of events and ऐसे होते रहे successful and they just achieve their milestones and keep on achieving and keep on achieving. Thank you so much.
मैम आपका नाम व्हाट्स योर नेम एंड व्हाट वुड यू से अबाउट द शिकागो यूनिवर्सिटी सेरेमनी?
Hi, my name is Malika Beg. I'm a Delhi-based choreographer and a dance educationist. I'm extremely grateful to the organizers, Chicago Open University, WSCC, and RK Gupta ji for honoring me with this prestigious award. I'm very, very grateful and very happy about it.
बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। मैं विजय रामरतन, चेयरमैन रामरतन ग्रुप। वी आर इन द रियल एस्टेट फ्रॉम लास्ट 40 इयर्स। आज यहाँ आके बहुत ही खुशी हुई जिस तरह से वर्ल्ड शिकागो यूनिवर्सिटी ने, यूएसए ने और सिख चैम्बर्स ने मिलके जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन किया और रामरतन ग्रुप को इसका पार्ट बनाया। बहुत नए अचीवर्स को, बहुत वुमेन्स को बहुत रिस्पेक्ट मिली, बहुत अच्छे लोगों से मुलाकात हुई। बड़ी शुभकामनाएं मेरी रामतन परिवार की तरफ से और ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होते रहने चाहिए। इससे वुमेन्स को बड़ा सपोर्ट मिलता है, सोसाइटी को बड़ा नॉलेज मिलती है और ये बहुत ही अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है और बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। मेरी तरफ से सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
नेक्स्ट मेरा नाम रंजीत सिंह है। आई एम अ फिफ्थ जनरेशन इनटू पेंट्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड वी हैव आवर यूनिट्स इन गाजियाबाद. I stay in Delhi and I'm really proud to be holding their prestigious honorary doctorate award from prestigious institution which is collaborated with WSCC. I'm really thankful to them for this prestigious award.
In Delhi High Court, I'm really thankful to the Chicago Open University for offering me this award, which is a great honor for me. Thank you.